out here. It's flick season. You know what time it is. Ooh. Chicago, baby. Trying to see if I can catch up to this doodle right here. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he dripped up. I don't know. I'm not running, that's for sure. My boy rolling down here. Ooh. So I found this guy. I think what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put him in front of this building actually. I'm gonna see if he's down. Maybe we'll shoot in front of that building. I don't know. Hey boss, how you doing? Hey, I saw you walking back here. I was trying to catch up. You got a fast ass walk.
Yeah, because I want to use that for bus.
Oh, okay. Hey, you down to take a picture? Oh yeah, I'm gonna use this right here. Yeah, I like the outfit and stuff. Hell yeah. What's your name?
My name is Mo.
Mo? Mo, okay. Okay, you got an Instagram?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, hell yeah. Yeah, you can stand like right there.
Right there?
Yeah, however you feel comfortable.
Okay.
Yeah. And so stand right here and put the bag on that side.
Yeah.
And then kind of look out that way a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, hell yeah. Yeah.
This one's better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate that.
I appreciate that.
Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Y'all see
I'm
it.
from Paris.
Paris.
Yeah.
Muhammad. Y'all see him? Follow.
Yes, sir.
Follow up.
Okay.
All right. Appreciate it, man. Have a good one, bro.
Good one, bro.
You just switch it up. Use some of the stuff that's around you. Like I don't know why, but I'll make something out of focus, which will be like this ridge right here, the edge, and then make everything else in focus. Get the American flag in there. Get what you need in that thing, man. You make the photo, that's all. Shoot through, focus down on the bottom side, boom, there you go. Focus on the buildings. And like I said, whatever you guys need, if you need to make it darker, whatever your style is, make it brighter. All right, let's find another spot. Boom, found another spot. Just came up the stairs. You can use a reflection from this, or you use a reflection from the water to get either or. So you see a reflection from the water there. So if I go a little bit lower, you get the reflection from the tile, from the edge ring. Good do. Maybe a little bit of both. don't care what nobody says. I mean, unfortunately, of course, you have to deal with the rain, but overcast days are like the best days to come out and do photos. Especially in a city like this, it's ridiculous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. A lot of contrast, you know, no harsh lights. Man, look, come on, man. And also, when you up early, there ain't nobody else out. Don't nobody want to be up early, so the earlier you get up, the way less people will be out here, less people in your way, less people in your photos. You can just do what you need to do. So let's get back to it. And we're back, my boy. A lot of reflection with the light coming through down at the end. I'm not sure if y'all can tell, but